Good morning, children. How are you all? So, what I discussed, what I explained you in the previous class about the weather and climate, I started the lesson. What are the components of the weather? What are the components of the weather? I discussed in the previous class. What are the components? Maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall, sky is cloudy or clear, or wind, humidity, sunrise, sunsets. These are the components of weather, isn't it? Already we discussed this, isn't it? Now here plotting a graph also I explained you for the 5 days. Already I explained you how to plot the graph. Here you will see 5 days graph is given for you. How to plot it, I will explain you. This graph what you have to do in graph paper only. Day 1 is given, day is given, day. Here it is given maximum temperature. Maximum temperature means highest temperature. When you get this highest temperature in the summer season, you get highest temperature. Minimum temperature in winter season, you get minimum temperature. Here days, maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days I am taking. You can take the dates, 5 days temperature from the newspaper. Okay, this is about the 2011. This is 2011, 13, 14. Isn't it? Here the temperature is given for first day temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Second day the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Third day temperature is again 31 degrees Celsius. And here third day temperature is 31 degrees. Okay, fourth day temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Fifth day temperature also is 30 degrees Celsius. Now how to plot? Take the graph paper. Take the graph paper. One side here you write down day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? Now here see the temperature is starting. Minimum temperature here it is given 30 degrees. So here you can start with 29.5 degrees Celsius. And then 30 degrees Celsius. Then 30.5 degrees Celsius, 31 degrees Celsius, 31.5. You have to see the last temperature and 0.5 you can take extra. Now here draw the lines. Already lines will be there in the graph paper. You can take 1 centimeter scale and draw lines. Okay. Now day 1, what is the temperature given for you? Day 1 is 30 degrees is given for you. Here, day 1 is 30 degrees. So, take 30 degrees, just give the dot. Then day 2, what is the temperature given here? Go to this line only, 31 degrees. Again, day 3 also 31 degrees, go to third line. Then day 4 is given 30 degrees. Again, come back to 30 degrees temperature. Day 4 that is. Here it is. This is day 4. Here come to this line, okay? Don't mix up the lines. Then day 5 also again 30 degrees. Here it will be. Now, join the lines. See, like this you have to plot the graph. This is the way to plot the graph. You can take the temperature of 5 consecutive days from the newspaper or from the news channel. You can take it and you can draw. Like this you can take even the minimum temperature. You can take even the humidity also. What is humidity? Amount of water vapor present in air is called humidity. What is the instrument used to measure the humidity? Hygrometer is used to measure the humidity. What is the instrument used to measure humidity? Hygrometer. Like this you can plot the graph by using temperatures of 5 days. Okay, fine. Now next coming to weather report, and what is weather report? What I told you, To understand the weather report. Here the weather report is given for you. Report 1 and report 2 is given. Listen carefully. Isolated rain or thunder showers are likely to occur over Chittoor, Nellore, Prakasam and some parts of Kadapa district. Mainly dry weather will prevail over southern Telangana district and northern coastal districts of Andhra Pradesh. Sky may be cloudy on the next 2 days in Kurnool and Anantapur district. Next 2 days. So focus on this. Focus this. Future maybe is given. Report 2. So weather report, weather forecast is given for you. You have to understand this. Report 2, what is given here? According to Meteorological Department report, IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, they preserve data. Time to time they record the data, weather data, isn't it? Reports 40. According to Meteorological Department report, 42 degrees maximum temperature recorded at Ramgundam of Karimnagar district, isn't it? And 29 degrees centigrade minimum temperature at Arogyavaram and Chittoor district recorded. And 2 mm of rainfall was recorded in Hyderabad. Scattered rainfall recorded in some parts of interior Rayalaseema. Remaining parts of the state was dry. So here which report explains what will happen here. So here in the first report showing you the future weather report. Future, what is going to happen? That is called weather forecast. In future, future means not a year or 2 years, within a day. Suppose now rains started, another 2 days there will be a heavy to heavy rainfall. That is a forecast. Winter season is there. Now still the temperature is going to decrease for 2 more days. That is a forecast. This is what you call it, forecast, isn't it? So here now next 48 hours Telangana also what happened? What they predicted Meteorological Department. Another 48 hours are very crucial for Telangana state. Heavy to very heavy rainfall will be there next coming days, 48 hours. This is what you call it, forecast. So the first report explains the future conditions in weather forecast, isn't it? The reports that explains about past condition is called weather report. What is happened? What is happened? What is happened? Maximum temperature was recorded. 42 degrees Celsius maximum temperature was recorded in Ramgundam. That is past. It is a weather report. What you call it? It is a weather report. So here both the weather reports you have seen it. The weather report shows the past conditions. Forecast means future conditions of the weather. Is called that is weather forecast. Understood, children? So now here measuring components of weather. What are the components? We use different components for measuring. For example, different component. What I explained you about the humidity. Humidity, the amount of humidity present in air is called humidity. The presence of water vapor in air is called humidity. It is measured by using an instrument called hygrometer. In the same way, one more measuring instrument is used for measuring the temperature, that is maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum and minimum temperature is measured by the instrument, that is what you call it, 6 maximum and minimum temperature. 6 maximum and minimum temperature. 6. What is 6? Is the name of the scientist who invented the thermometer. daytime and nighttime temperature we can find out, we can measure by using this 6 maximum and minimum thermometer. 6 is the name of the scientist. 6 is the name of the scientist. So he discovered about the construction of this thermometer. I will explain you in the next class. Okay children, thank you.